This means a safer environment for beneficial insects, birds, and other wildlife that call your garden home. So there you have it. With a little bit of creativity and knowledge, you can keep pests at bay naturally and effectively, from homemade sprays to companion planting and DIY traps. These methods are not only eco-friendly but also budget-friendly. Remember, a healthy garden is a balanced garden. While we don't want pests to destroy our plants, they are part of the ecosystem. So aim for control, not eradication. With these pest control hacks, your plants can grow in a safe and healthy environment. So roll up your sleeves and give these techniques a try. Your garden and all its inhabitants will thank you. Nurture your plants to their full potential with savvy plant care hacks. Today, we're going to delve into the art of pruning, propagating, and rejuvenating your green friends, helping them maintain their health and vibrancy. Let's start with pruning, a vital but often misunderstood part of plant care. Pruning isn't just about snipping away at your plants.